Welcome back to the Barbecue Lab. My name is David, and today we're going to put the Pit Boss Platinum KC combo to the test by making smoked tots and smashed burgers. To get our recipe started today, all we've got to do is we've got to fire up the pellet smoker here on the Platinum KC combo. And to do that, we're just going to smoke some standard tots you can get at the grocery store. And to do that, we've got to get this fired up to about 450. So if you want to come in here and get a close-up look, I want to show you what the Platinum KC combo looks like when you power up the unit. All we need to do is hit the power button, and the grill is going to roar to life. And you'll notice that it's giving us an actual temperature here. So we have our actual temperature and our set temperature. On the Platinum KC combo, all we do is we hit the button once and we can set our temperature. So we have 180, 200. What I'm looking for today is I need actually 350 to 450. So we're gonna go ahead and fire up 450, which is what it says on the tot container. I'm gonna press it again to set it. So actual 49 degrees, the set temperature, 450 degrees. All we're going to do is let this come up to temperature, and then we're good to go. Now you'll also notice that we have an auger light, we have a primer light where we actually have our hot rod that's going to help light the pellets, and the fan. And then underneath here you can see we actually have our pellets. So this is where we keep the pellets in the pellet hopper. And so the pellet hopper's right underneath the digital control. Nice little place here to keep our probes, which is nice and handy. And I like that you can also open this up without that turning off. So we're gonna go ahead and get this fired up. We're gonna do the tots on this side, keep them nice and smoked, which will be delicious flavor. And here on this griddle side, we're gonna go ahead and do the smash burgers. And today we're doing mini sliders, and I think it's gonna be delicious. So stay tuned, we're gonna fire this up. Our griddle's up to about 450 degrees. It's time to get started on these caramelized onions. So come on in, let's get this thing fired up. We're gonna start with a little oil. Then we're gonna go ahead and get the onions on. While the onions are going on the griddle, we're gonna go ahead and come back over to the pellet grill and check on our tots. It is time to flip them. So what I like to do is I like to take another rack, put them on top of the tots, and flip them over. So I'll show you what I mean. On there. All right, the griddle's ready. It's time to go ahead and get a couple smash burgers on here. So all we're gonna do is put down a little oil, smash some burgers, and we're gonna see if we can get these delicious mini smash burgers done. A little bit of that. Put down a smidge of oil. Get this down here. I can't smash it in. There we go. Thing, a little oil, our burger, with a little salt. Now they're not going to need a ton of time on each side because these are miniature smash burgers. They're the little babies. So we're going to go ahead and get in here. Look at that crust on there. Man, that's what we're looking for. Bang. That's exactly it right there. Now we don't want them to get overdone, so we're gonna go ahead and take these off. Take a couple buns here, get them nice and toasty. It shouldn't take long. Look at that, just a second, and those buns are ready. All right, we've got our burgers fresh off the grill. Put a little bit of sauteed onion on top. Time to get these inside and get them plated up. So we've got dinner managed 100% on the Pit Boss Platinum KC Combo Grill. We've got our Tots that were done on the pellet grill side. We've got our Smashburgers that were done on the other side on the flat top griddle. And I gotta tell you, it turned out great. I want to say a special thanks to Yukon Glory for getting us this nice display board. You can check that out in the links below, as well as the flat top griddle spatulas that we used. But I'm going to tell you, if you haven't checked out the Pit Boss KC Combo, this is a fantastic grill. All of this, all one meal on one grill, and we got to say we love it. So we'll see you next time here on the Barbecue Lab.